Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around Austin like a swarm of bees at a barbecue. The number one reason why people are packing up their cowboy boots and bidding farewell to the live music capital of the world. So grab your popcorn and saddle up because things are about to get interesting. Now before we dive into the juicy details, let's take a look at the numbers, shall we? According to data from the Austin Board of Realtors, the real estate market in Austin has been hotter than a jalapeno popper at the chili cook-off. With home prices soaring to new heights faster than a speeding bullet train, it's no wonder folks are feeling the heat. So what's the number one reason people are saying adios to Austin? Drumroll please, it's the housing affordability crisis. That's right folks, with skyrocketing home prices and soaring rents, many Austinites are finding themselves priced out of the market faster than you can say gentrification. But wait, there's more. It's not just the cost of housing that's sending folks packing, it's also the lack of inventory. With demand outpacing supply faster than a cowboy at a rodeo, finding a decent place to hang your hat in Austin has become about as easy as lassoing a wild stallion. So why are all the disgruntled Austinites heading, you ask? Well, it seems like everyone and their grandma is headed for the hills, or rather the suburbs. With communities like Round Rock, Buda, Kyle, Cedar Park, and Pflugerville offering more bang for your buck than a Texas-sized fireworks display, it's no wonder the suburbs are calling. But fear not, fellow Austinites, all hope is not lost. Despite the housing affordability crisis, Austin still has plenty to offer, from world-class music venues to mouth-watering Texas cuisine and barbecue. So whether you're a born and bred Austinite or a newcomer to the city, there's no denying that Austin will always hold a special place in our hearts, and mine included. And there you have it, the number one reason people are leaving Austin faster you can say yeehaw, but fear not, because as they say, when one door closes, another one opens. So whether you're sticking around for the long haul or setting your sights out for greener pastures, one thing's for sure, Austin will always be weird, wonderful, and downright unforgettable. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting and informative content about Austin and Austin real estate. Until next time, keep it weird and talk to you soon.